Hey guys, today I will show you how to search for items online using Google Lens on ZTE Blade A55. Firstly, you will need to take a picture or a screenshot of the thing that you would like to search for. Now tap on go into Google Photos and tap on the picture that you took. So let's say I would like to search for this plant online. All I have to do now is just tap on it. Oh, it's recording. Yeah, this one. Is just tap on lens. And it's going to show me results online by search image, by image search. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.